You turn your MacBook on, open the web browser, especially Google Chrome, and try to visit the website that you visit almost every day. And boom, we are sorry, we hit a snag. Looks like something went wrong, but we are working on it. Give it another try. In the first step, we are going to reload and hard refresh the page. So go ahead and press two buttons together first, Command and R. If it doesn't work, go ahead and press three buttons together, Shift, Command, R. If this step does not work, click on the extensions icon at the right top corner and look for if there is any fishy extension installed and remove it. Then in Google, at the right top corner, there are three tiny dots. Click on them, click on History. Further on left, click on Delete Browsing History. Choose at least 24 hours or 7 days and click on Delete Data. Open it up again. Further, let's try an alternative web browser. On this Mac, I'm going to try Safari, and I will try the same website. And it is working perfectly fine. So one thing is pretty clear now, we have a just problem with the web browser. Now get back to Google Chrome, click on tiny three dots at the right top corner, then navigate to Help, click on About Google, and let's see if there's any update available to Google Chrome. Eventually we have update available right now. Once update is finished, click on Relaunch. Now try again to get back to the website. If you're still experiencing the same problem, then click on the tiny three dots at the right top corner again, navigate to Settings at the very bottom, and in the Settings window, on left, you'll see an option Reset Settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click on Reset Settings. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engines, and the pin tabs. But don't worry, it will not make you lose your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. They are still intact. Now close Google Chrome and open it up again and try to visit the same website. And I'm positive you'll be able to open your website as I was able to get back into my website. If you're still experiencing any problem, go ahead and type us in the comment. Check if your Mac is safe or not, if you've enabled all the security features on it. Go ahead and watch this video and ensure you follow all these 8 security tips. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Thank you for watching. You have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next one.